All right, so we are on our way to a house for the very last time. It's a particular project that we purchased. We've already fixed it up, and we've pretty much almost already flipped it. We signed closing docs today. It's going to fund and record tomorrow. So as of tomorrow, the home will have new ownership. So we're actually going to go to the house right now to pick up my super box, which is on the front door. And basically that's it. And while we're there, for the very last time, I'm going to give you a tour and kind of share with you what we did to this particular house, what we did to increase the value, what we did to force appreciate it, all of that good stuff. So getting ready to jump on the freeway here in a minute, and then as soon as we get off the freeway, we're probably about a 5-minute drive to the property. And of course, once we get to the property, I will share what we did. So I will see you in a second. All right, guys, we are here at the house now, so let's go inside and take a peek at this property for the very last time. So as I stand here in the front room, I'm gonna come over here in this corner and do a pan around. So this is the front room that you walk into, and it's a nice space. You can see there's the front door that we just came in. But actually what we did in here was really pretty cool. There was actually a wall right here. And you can see this was the carrying beam for that wall, which made the space from where this handrail is to where I'm standing feel a lot smaller. So what we did, obviously, is we demoed that wall, put a handrail, because that's a staircase that goes down. But by opening up that wall, it basically makes this front room feel a lot bigger. Another thing that we did also is, you can see right here where the flooring goes, the wall actually also came to about here. So there was only a little doorway that allowed you to come into the kitchen. And so what we did is we removed this wall, and it just opened up this front room into the kitchen dramatically. It gives it a nice, good open feel. And we upgraded with some nice light fixtures that gives it a nice touch to the home. And again, you can see there was only a doorway to here, so by opening up this wall right here, by standing in this front room, it opens up access to the kitchen, which is really nice. And what was great about it is this tile was in great shape, so we actually utilized the current tile that was in place and put in some new kitchen cabinets, did a nice quartz countertop, nice gooseneck faucet with some stainless steel appliances. And it was a complete transformation of this kitchen. This kitchen was a really old, dated kitchen, but by coming in here and modernizing it, opening up some walls, changing the light fixtures into some nice cool light fixtures that give it a nice touch, it really improved the house dramatically. And what was also really great is being that the tile was in such great shape, we were able to utilize the current tile in place. But this is probably where most of what we did happened. I take that back. Actually, we did the other 2 bathrooms as well, and so we did a lot down there and up here. But by removing this wall, removing that wall, new kitchen, basically new cabinets, new countertop, new appliances, new light fixtures, that went a long, long way on the presentation of the home once somebody walked into the front door. So you can see this is the staircase now, and it's kind of nice. You got this little ledge here. You could put flowers, all of that good stuff. So there's looking back at the front door. So let's go take a peek at the rest of the house. Actually, let's kind of come in here, do a little pan around of the kitchen. There's where the fridge will go. As we discussed, brand new kitchen cabinets, new quartz countertop. Kitchen turned out really nice. It looks really good. Then we've got an exterior door right here, which allows you to go into the backyard. We've got a 1-car garage back there with a hangover carport, which is nice. You could put a barbecue back there, chairs, patio, kind of relax. and we'll go down in a minute. But let's go take a peek at the rest of this floor, this first top floor. Got 3 bedrooms here, and so here's bedroom number 1. Okay, and there's not a ton to show. It's just an empty bedroom, so we won't spend much time there. And bedroom number 2, again, not a whole lot to show. And then bedroom number 3, again, not a whole lot to show, but you can see same tile was in here that was in the kitchen, in really great condition. The bathtub was in great condition. The surround tile was in great condition. What we did is we refinished the tub and the tile, giving the bathroom a complete makeover. We did put new hardware on the bathtub. We did put a new vanity in here though. The vanity was very old, dated, and of course we got a new mirror, new light fixture, but we were able to salvage quite a bit of this bathroom in regards to the floor, the tile floor, the tub, the surround. They were all in great shape. We just needed to give it a little facelift by doing the refinishing of the tile, and it looks really good. And you get a big bang for your buck because you know, as everybody knows, kitchens and baths are what sell. And by being able to utilize what was here, we were able to save on that expense, but benefit on the appreciation due to giving the bathroom a complete makeover and being able to salvage a lot of what was there. So we come downstairs. Nice, big, huge family room. This is really nice. And got the washer dryer hookup over here. And I'm going to come stand in this corner over here, kind of do a pan around. Got a nice big family room down here. Didn't do a ton in here. We kind of patched up some walls where it needed to be patched up, painted, new carpet. This space was a nice, good open space. Then coming into here, we completely finished this bathroom. This bathroom was not a finished bathroom. So put in the tile, looks really, really nice. Brand new vanity in here as well. New mirror, new light fixture up here. Put in a nice towel hook and completely finished the shower. There was not really a shower here, so we added that into the house. It looks really good. So again, adding a lot of value by adding a bathroom down here. They had started to put in the bathroom, but of course they did not finish it. So one more bedroom down here. It's actually a really good sized bedroom. I'm going to come stand in this corner over here. And you can see it's very, well, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's a very long video, or a very long bedroom. So again, just kind of finishing the basement. It was kind of an unfinished basement. Cleaned up the walls, any patches or holes. Put in a new bathroom where there was not a bathroom. Paint, carpet, it all went a really long way to increasing the value of this home, where it was just unfinished down here and not very appealing. But now that it's finished, it's now a very finished, polished product. So let's see, anything. Oh, so basically we had these handrails custom made because we removed the wall. So these handrail, we had them come in and weld it and custom make these handrails. So it gives it a really nice touch. Again, it's completely open, makes it feel very spacious. So on that note, we are here for the very last time. Wanted to give you guys a quick tour of a remodeling job that we did that we didn't do an extreme amount. The house was in decent shape, it was just dated. But by coming here and putting in new floors, new paint on the wall, removing a couple walls, being able to utilize current tile, we were able to save a lot on the expense, appreciate the house dramatically, and then turn around and sell it. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour.